Hey, what's up, people? It's your boy Zay, bringing only hustling game. And I just want to say to you guys, if you're tuning into this video, I salute to you, man. It means that you're taking steps towards making yourself more financially free, or at least just educating yourself on financials, whether that be stocks, crypto, whatever it is, man. You know what this channel is about, personal finance. And if you're taking the time out of your day to watch these videos, then I just want to say salute to you. I appreciate you tuning in, and I'm going to do my best to give you some great content today. We actually do have a banger video today. I'm going to be talking to you guys about 3 stocks that I'm going to be adding towards my position. Adding a bigger position because I have 2 of them right now. One of them I've yet to obtain one full share. These stocks have the tremendous opportunity for growth, and I'm going to be giving you guys some articles to where some analysts are talking about their price predictions as well as just where the company is headed in general. So make sure you tune in towards the very end, because I'm also going to be giving you guys my #1 crypto pick, just because, you know, it's crypto, man. It's a market right now that's brand new still. It's still in its infancy stages, and I just believe that if I could put 3 stocks out there and 1 crypto, you guys are off to a great start in starting your portfolios. So make sure you stay through to the very end, because crypto is actually where I've made a majority of my profits versus in the stock market. But at the same time, you know, we got to divvy up where our money's going, stocks and crypto. We can't just be all one-sided. Let's go ahead and dive into this video. And the first stock I have on the list for you guys, you already know this one. So the first stock on the list is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Now, I know a lot of people right now out there are conflicted on their views on Tesla and Elon Musk, but I'm telling you guys, Tesla is that company, right? It's that one that's always talked about the most, and it has great price predictions for the future, especially leading in towards 2025, which is only, less than 4 years away, really. So when we look at it right now on Robinhood, this is after hours because the market's closed. I always make videos when the market's closed. I need to try to put some content out during market hours so you guys can kind of see what we're talking about, see the price fluctuations. But right now, Tesla's trading price is $734.50. So this year, we've seen it crazy. You know, it had a 52-week high of $900.40 and a 52-week low of $329.88. I really wish I would have gotten in back then, but that's okay. It has a huge market cap, $727 billion. So in Q2, they just killed their earnings. You know, they did very, very, very good. I wanted to show you guys, y'all know about Cathie Woods, right? She is head of the ARK Invest company, and she has she's made statements before to where she predicts that Tesla's going to go to at least $3,000. That's a great share price for the company. And for once, this is the first time that Elon Musk has actually agreed with that. He did say if that company executes really well, then he sees $3,000 for a share of Tesla being possible. Our estimate for Tesla's success has gone up. The main reason for that is their market share. So instead of going down from year-end 2017 to today, it has actually gone up fairly dramatically. That's what Cathie Wood had said. However, Wood's price tag for Tesla looks outrageous. Tesla is currently trading at $733 a share, and it would have to go up above 300% to reach that price target. ARK Invest believes that Tesla is going to deliver between 5 and 10 million vehicles as soon as 2025. Now, what's crazy about that, guys, is making those millions of deliveries possible by 2025, it's not so far out there, because especially with Tesla's Cybertruck just coming out, people have been pre-ordering that like crazy. And of course, you know, they're going to come out with other reiterations of the model. They're probably going to come out with different color schemes, different types of that Cybertruck, and it's just had so much hype around it lately. And you know, especially like a lot of celebrities, a lot of rappers, a lot of people out there, they love getting what's new. So I can definitely see people wanting that Cybertruck on demand. You know, they're going to ship out a lot of orders of that truck, and especially too, within 5 years, they're probably going to innovate new vehicles. So for me, Tesla is definitely a buy. I want to keep adding towards my position. I don't really have anything right now in my Robinhood as far as Tesla goes, but in my other portfolios, I'm going to be trying to add more shares of Tesla, and hopefully within the next few years, we can slowly see that price target rise up. If we look at tip ranks, handy tool to use, we can actually see to where analysts are saying that you know, it can actually go 4.86% on the downside, going down to $697, which for me personally, that's good either way, because I would love to get Tesla down at a much lower price. So anytime Tesla takes a dip, I'm gonna be adding to it as much as I can. Right here, we says that the average price target is $697 with a high estimate of $1,200 and a low estimate of $150. That's pretty low. That's low balling it there with $150. And if that happens, you know I'm buying more right there at $150. I don't know if it would exactly hit $3,000, but for sure $1,500, $2,000, no doubt. I'm seeing that possible for 2025. So Tesla's one of those stock picks for me that I'm gonna be adding, trying to get as many shares as possible. Okay, so the next stock on the list I have for you guys is going to be Amazon. Okay, Amazon. I have yet to get a full share of Amazon. It just seems like one of those stocks out there that's just so high already that you don't even want to bother getting it. And you know, a lot of people like to talk about certain stocks that have monopolized. They're like the biggest one out there, so they don't see much growth potential for that stock. And to me personally, I feel like that's true in some degrees, right? Like there are some stocks out there to where they kind of always stay at a certain price range. They don't really go up too much. They don't really go down too much. They're kind of a stable stock. For Amazon personally though, I mean, everybody uses it. Everybody uses it. It's a crazy stock, right? It's a crazy company. It's everywhere. Those warehouses are everywhere. This article right here basically talks about Amazon gets its first $5,000 prediction target, and Alphabet, Google, gets first $3,000 target. So, analyst, I'm going to butcher this, but it says Shyam Patil at Susquehanna is now Wall Street's most bullish on Amazon.com after he raised his price target from $5,200 from $4,000, while reiterating his positive rating in the wake of e-commerce's giant's record fourth quarter results. Here's the thing when it comes to Amazon. Like I said before, I know a lot of people see that price tag on there and they think, man, there's no reason for me to get into this because it's not going to go up that much higher. Whereas if I just threw $3,000 into a stock that has a lot more potential to grow, yes, you can definitely make more profits on a stock that has a lower price tag for their current stock price, and potentially it goes up 50%, 80%, whatever, right? But here's the thing. You got to think about long-term investing. Yes, I know a lot of us are getting into the stock market because we want to make short-term gains. We're trying to get rich quick. But if you're in it for that, then you might want to consider going into day trading penny stocks, options maybe. That stuff, there's a lot of risk with it. But, you know, I make videos on options, and I will be putting videos out on penny stocks as well, and potentially day trading if I can ever get there. But for me, I am a big long-term investor enthusiast as well as a dividend enthusiast. Those are things that I look for in stocks, really stable companies that do still have potential for growth. See, with Amazon, you're not going to be losing money. It's not like one day Amazon's going to tank to $50 a share, right? That's not going to happen. It's going to continue to grow. So a $5,000 price target, if you can get in right now at $3,000, $3,300, whatever it's trading at, $3,472 after hours for Amazon. When it has a 52-week low of $2,871 and a 52-week high of $3,773. 98% buy, 48 analyst ratings saying it's a buy. Let's see what the bulls are saying real quick. So Amazon Prime membership helps attract and retain customers who spend more with Amazon and reinforces a powerful network effect while bringing in recurring and high margin revenue. It's a clear leader in e-commerce and enjoys unrivaled scale to continue to invest in growth opportunities and drive the very best customer experience. So it's a buy for sure, and they've been beating their earnings every single quarter. This pandemic has really helped drive their profits up. You know, I wish I would have gotten in on it earlier as well. There's a lot of stocks I wish I would have gotten in earlier, but you know, what we can do is dollar cost average into these positions. You can't really time the market, right? So that's your best bet. That's the best opportunity you have. Your best tool is to dollar cost average. And basically what that means is anytime you see a little dip, go ahead and put some money into it, right? Keep buying it, keep buying it. When over time, if you just keep putting money into it, right, then you don't ever have to worry about, well, is this a good time to buy? Is this not a good time? Because you're going to have a position already. I'm going to give you guys my last stock pick, right? And this one is probably going to be my favorite so far. So here we go. This is Corsair Gaming, right? Ticker symbol CRSR. This is our third stock pick. Right now, after hours, it is $28.66 a share. I only have one share of it, but I'm wanting to get a lot of these, like at least 100 shares. Now, this last quarter, they actually just kind of fell short of their expected earnings, but I'm cool with that. So, real quick, Corsair Gaming designs and supplies hardware components for personal computers. It operates through gamer and creator peripherals and gaming components and system segments. The gamer and creator peripheral segment offers gaming keyboards, mice, headsets, controllers, and gaming gear. So it's a gaming company, right? But this is the article I wanted to show you guys about Corsair Game. This is Seeking Alpha, another great tool you guys can use. So here we go. Let's just look at the top 3 summaries, and I'm going to give you guys my opinions on them. Corsair's brand and gaming components will fuel growth in peripherals. The company is continuing to launch high-quality peripherals, most notably its entry into the lucrative webcam space. The gaming industry is doing better than ever, and hardware will grow even faster than the industry. So this is what's so crazy about that, guys. So AMD, what's another one? NVIDIA. These are also gaming companies, right, that creates, for instance, AMD, that's Advanced Micro Devices, and NVIDIA, we know what happened in NVIDIA recently, how it has shot up, had that stock split. AMD has gone crazy. I actually used to own some AMD back when it was about $80 or $70 a share. Made some nice profits on that. With gaming becoming increasingly more popular and there being kind of like a shortage of these graphics cards, for these companies that are in the gaming space, it's just going to become bigger. More kids, more adults, more people are playing games like never before. The pandemic definitely helped that. People were playing games at home all the time. You don't have nothing else really to do other than watch TV, watch movies, all that good stuff. So gaming is a sector that is just, there's so much opportunity for it, right? You got Twitch out there where people are streaming what they're playing. And the fact that they're entering the webcam space is really cool because this is going to give them a whole other opportunity for them to make money, another way for them to profit, right? So looking at Corsair's Q2 of 2021, their Q2 results, the company continues to grow its top line very well. Net revenue increased by 24.3% compared to the same time last year, from $380.4 million to $472.9 million. That's crazy growth right there, right? So while this is an impressive revenue growth rate, Corsair is actually still lagging peripherals giant Logitech. This indicates to me that there is still massive potential for Corsair to gain market share from its rival. So this is what the part where it talks about them entering the new market. They're continuing to put out new high quality peripherals, new gaming headsets. The company's subsidiary Elgato, I think I said that right, also recently entered into the webcam market with its Facecam product. The Facecam is able to capture video. It just kind of talks about the specs of the video. The expansion into peripherals is good news for Corsair's profitability. This is due to peripherals having much higher gross margins than gaming components. So peripherals have a gross margin of 35.2% as opposed to gaming components, which have a 23.8% gross margin. So there you go right there. It's just another opportunity for them to make money, for this company to grow. And when we go to tip ranks and look to see what they got to say about it, we look at these analysts and they're saying that it has a high estimate of going to $45 a share. But me, I'm a lot more bullish on it. I think that Corsair can go up to something like AMD, or I'm not saying maybe NVIDIA, but AMD for sure. AMD was trading at around $70 to $80 a stock, a share price for a good minute before it kind of exploded and broke past the $100 support line. And I don't know what it's at right now, but I'm very bullish on Corsair Gaming, and I would like to get 100 shares of this company. So those are my 3 stock picks for you guys. I'm going to give you guys my last one. This is my crypto, and we're going to be going to that right now. And this is going to be Dogecoin, the infamous, the notorious Dogecoin. It's just so crazy to me, guys, because I've hodled this position on Robinhood. I have 11,000 shares, average cost of 20 cents. So I did get into it, and it's so crazy because I remember the day when I was gonna put $1,200 into Dogecoin, right? I was donating plasma. It was like the day before. it was the same day. It was the same day it kind of shot past the 20 cent. I think it was the 20 cent mark. It was like at 13 cents this day. I don't remember what day it was exactly, but it was like 13 cents, 14 cents, and I was gonna go and put the $1,200 into it, but I had to go to the bank, and it was just crazy because after I donated plasma, I was so tired, so I fell asleep. By the time I woke up, it had already exploded past the 20 cent mark. I think it was like 22 cents. I waited till it fell down, and I put that $1,200 in at 20 cents, and I got myself a nice, decent sized position. But yeah, it's been crazy. You know, it's all over YouTube. It's all over the internet. Dogecoin, you know, there's talks about it's not if it'll hit $1, it's when it'll hit $1, and I completely agree on that, guys. I don't know, the Dogecoin community out there is awesome. I watch all the YouTubers that speak about it. Shout out to them, you know, bringing attention towards the crypto coin, and I just like it, man. It's fun to have. You know, I never sold at the top when it reached that peak of, I think it was like 73 cents. I did not sell. I wish I would have, because it would have been, you know, but nobody can predict that, right? You can't really predict when it's going to hit the top. So, but if I would have sold at 73 cents, collected my profits, and then when it dropped back down to 16 cents, re-entered my position, it'd be crazy. But that's all right, you know, it's all part of it. You know, and if I can give any investors out there in the crypto and stock marketplace, I think I've said it before, but that is one of my biggest tips, is to don't be afraid to take profits. You know, don't be afraid to take profits at any time. I know there's a lot of apes out there on the AMC stock that have not taken profits. You know, to each their own, but me personally, I would have loved to take profits and then re-enter my position, at least, at the very least, right? Because even right now, it going back up to 30%, or 30 cents from where it was at 16 cents. If I would have re-entered that, I would have been way up. You know, I feel the same way. Like I said, I do feel like it will hit $1 sometime. I don't know when. I don't want to say anything because I don't want to be told that, oh, Zay said it's going to hit $1, so I'm going to YOLO all my life savings into it. No, I'm just saying it's one of those cryptos that, you know, we know now. We know that it's not if it'll hit $1, it's when it's going to hit $1. So right there, if you were getting even right now, that's a little over 3x on your money. So I just feel like you can't ignore that. You know what I'm saying? You can't ignore that. So that's my piece right there. I gave you guys 3 banger stocks and 1 crypto that I feel like you guys should add towards your portfolio. We went over Tesla, we went over Amazon, and we went over Corsair Gaming and Dogecoin. So these are great stocks to get started with. Crypto wise, you know, you could potentially go into something a little more stable, such as like Ethereum, Bitcoin, but this is one of those plays, right? This is a play for me. This is a play where I know I'm going to flip my money. I'm going to flip it into a 3x, you know, a 4x, whatever. And with these stocks, you know, Tesla and Amazon, those are definitely stocks I'm going to be holding a lot longer than I am Corsair Gaming. But Corsair Gaming, with the gaming sector, you know, growing, it wouldn't be bad to hold it for at least a year or two, see what happens. Well, guys, that's all I got for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to sign up using my referral codes down at the bottom. And start growing your portfolio, guys. Start investing. Start doing your research too. That's the thing. Like, I read so many articles on the stocks I'm thinking about entering a position, and I can't stress it enough how important it is for you guys to do your due diligence, right? Even me, like, I'll watch other YouTubers as well, and if you guys come and check out my videos, which I'd appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? Don't just listen to what I'm saying. Go and do your own research, you know? There might be something that you guys find that I haven't found yet, right? Where, you know, you might even change my mind. So, you know, y'all hit me up too. Hit me up in the comments, whatever. And yeah, like I said, just do your own research, because like I said, there's something that you could find that I haven't found yet that might just change my mind on whether or not I'm thinking about entering a position. But I want you guys to know that I do research this stuff very thoroughly. I research these stocks, these cryptos extremely thoroughly before I even think about sharing this information with you guys, because for me personally, it takes a lot for me to be like, okay, here I go. Here I'm going to put some money into this stock, because that's your hard-earned money, right? So I don't want you guys to lose money, and I definitely don't want to lose money myself. But, you know, I'm a little more on the aggressive side, and if you are more conservative and you're kind of too scared to enter the stock or crypto market, y'all can consider investing in, I don't know, mutual funds, index funds, bonds, that kind of thing. I don't know. That's too slow for me. You know what I'm saying? So for me, I'm trying to make it before I'm at that retirement age. That's the goal, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, check out my referral codes down at the bottom. Y'all take care. It's Zay. Bring your only hustle in game, and I'm out.